Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be making chicken pepper karahi. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It's totally free, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. These are the ingredients to marinate the chicken. We will need to marinate the chicken and leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Keep marinating it. Now pour 2 cups of oil and fry the marinated chicken for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it sizzle. And keep mixing it in between. When the chicken has turned into golden color, then take out the excess oil. Now add 2 large chillies and then add julienne ginger. And then add 1 cup of yogurt. Now mix it. Now add 1 teaspoon crushed cumin seed. And then add a 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon crushed coriander. Remember, keep mixing it in between. Now we need to add salt to taste. Cover it and leave it on simmer for 5 minutes. And then add a 1/4 cup cream. And then mix it and leave it until the oil separates. Now garnish with coriander. The chicken pepper karahi is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. This recipe is very delicious. Thanks for watching.